Hi, this video is the before and after hair transplant on a client who had a FUE done by me. We did the front half, we did over 2,500, and we did 2,500, over 2,500, and this is a 2 years follow-up, and this is now, and this is what he looked like before. You see, he's thinning the front half with some frontal forelock, a horseshoe hair loss pattern. We not only fill in the horseshoe hair loss pattern, but we increase the density too. That's then. This is a year ago. This is 2 years. This is now. And this is a 2 year follow-up. And this is what he looks like right now. And I'm going to pull it down for the audience to see. Excellent coverage, excellent density. And all that. Look at that. Nice volume. If you can look up, see how natural his hairline is. It's not just the hair transplant. It's not just the density, but the naturalness. It has nice follow curve, nice zigzag, soft hairline, not much detectability. And this is where he is right now. Thank you.